resume action here at 184 pounds from St. John Arena in Columbus, Ohio, the campus of the Ohio State Buckeyes. This is the EAS NWCA Division I National Duals. You're watching it here on Fox College Sports. Jason Bryant here with you. We're picking up the match with Nick Vetterlein of Virginia Tech. Already in on the attack with the silver singlet. Nice single to a double. Vetterlein currently ranked 15th in the nation, 18-6 on the year. Taking on Austin Morehead, the senior out of Sutter, California, transfer from Clackamas Community College 2 years ago. He was in the lineup last year for Oregon State. But prior to Oregon State, two-time junior college runner-up. And there's another big blast. Single to a double for Vetterlein. Now up 4-1 on Morehead. Vetterlein started his career as a football player at Wagner College in Staten Island, New York. Redshirted, then transferred to Virginia Tech, and it seems like he's been in the Hokie lineup since the Carter administration, it seems. Another sweep for Vetterlein. Forward roll through for Morehead, tried to counter. Ends up getting taken down so quickly in the first minute and 15 seconds. Nick Vetterlein of Virginia Tech. He's out to a 6-2 lead. One thing about Morehead, though, he's got the ability to put people on their back and finish. So he's been in situations quite a few times in his career where he's been losing matches and comes out with a big move. Picks up near fall points or at fall. Just over the halfway point, back on our feet, a 6-3 lead on 3 takedowns by Nick Vetterlein. For the Hokies of Virginia Tech, we're here at 184, 15-9 lead. Win here would be huge for Virginia Tech. And Morehead going to back Vetterlein out to the edge, get a fresh start, 1:06 remaining, period number 1. Another sweep attempt. This time didn't go anywhere. Over under tie by Morehead. Well, the referees are going to have a little conference here whether that was control. They say, nope, nothing. Again, the reaction time rule pretty much gone. 3 supporting points. Control the hips underneath the arms. That'll be 2. In that case, it wasn't. They were out of bounds, according to the 2 officials. Morehead charging. Now Morehead had an opportunity there, had a window to score. Good angle, couldn't finish the attempt. So Vetterlein's pace is slowed after scoring the 3 early takedowns, and as soon as we say that, he's in on a shot. But time will expire in the first period. And Nick Vetterlein holding a 6-3 advantage. Riding time not a factor, even though Vetterlein has 42 seconds of it. Vetterlein, New Jersey native, another guy out of Don Bosco Prep. We saw Sal Mastriani out of Bosco earlier. So even though Kevin Dresser coached in Virginia for nearly 20 years at the high school level, very good national scope of recruiting. A lot of Ohio, a lot of New Jersey, Pennsylvania. Of course, his assistant, or his associate head coach, rather, Tony Roby, had previous head coaching experience at Binghamton. They restarted that program. 6-4 after the escape by Morehead. Now Morehead in on a shot, trying to double off. Chin whip attempt by Vetterlein. Scramble rolling through, and Morehead going to come out of that whole scramble with control and ties it up 6-6. You hit that chin whip, you've got to keep your hips planted to the mat. Not exactly a high percentage move in the world of Division I collegiate wrestling. Minute to go here in the second period, 184 pounds. Austin Morehead down 6-3 heading into this period. Picked up an escape and a takedown. Tie it up at 6. Vetterlein throughout the last 2 years of his career since he moved down from 197. Been moderately successful, spent a lot of time in the national rankings. Granted, it's in the 15 to 20 range. And now there's a stall warning on Vetterlein. 15 seconds to go. Riding time now in favor of Morehead at 20 seconds. Remember, it's got to get to a minute. And period will end with Austin Morehead with the momentum right now. Vetterlein has choice. And he's going to start in the down position. He's got to get out in 21 seconds to avoid giving up riding time. Vetterlein up to his feet. Morehead trying to hang on. And Vetterlein's cut loose, in on a shot. Now Morehead tries some funk, tried to step over, and Vetterlein going to finish with the takedown. Now 8-6. Now 8-7. Minute 33 to go. 9-7. My math is again horrendous. The escape and the takedown for Vetterlein. He had 6 points coming into this period, so it's 9-7. And now there's a stall warning on Vetterlein, his second, and that'll give Morehead a point. It's now 9-8. Morehead in on the leg. Hipping in with the whizzer is Vetterlein. Slips out, switches off to a front headlock. Vetterlein tries to come behind, can't quite finish the go behind. We'll get a fresh start. 43 seconds remaining. Another sweep for Vetterlein. And quick stalemate by referee Fred Feeney. Morehead bowls in. Vetterlein to the edge. Double leg on the edge, circles back in. That's one way to avoid a stall. Calls, take a shot and hang on the leg. And again, another way to avoid a stall call. Shoot a sweep and hang on, the old Kempsville stall. And time will run out, and Morehead could have sent this thing to overtime, but riding time just a few seconds short, and it'll end up being an exciting 9-8 win for Nick Vetterlein. Virginia Tech picking up the win. Now 18-9 in favor of the Hokies.